gonna start with like a wild animal.
Hell yeah.
What the hell are you doing?
This is a song off of that will be on my new album, which is coming out in July. Mr. Nasty, Truth Sound.
That's some truth sound right there.
Run low.
Did it.
Like a wild animal, unaware of the eyes that are watching. I've already gone home. Said I've already gone to my home. Twisting and turning in my bed as I tried to sleep. I dreamed I heard your voice. You were saying that you weren't well and you wanted me to come and see you pass away from me. Oh, and doom comes in many forms. How would I benefit from the sight of watching your eyes close for the last time? Now nothing else will ever cross your mind. You've been set free from the burden of passing time. Like a wild animal, unaware of the eyes that are watching. I've already gone home. Said I've already gone to my home. Twisting and turning in my bed as I tried to sleep. I dreamed I heard your voice. You were saying that you weren't well and you wanted me to come and see you pass away from me. Oh, and doom comes in many forms. But how would I benefit from the sight of watching your eyes close for the last time? Now nothing else will ever cross your mind. You've been set free from the burden of passing time.